Hey, if you ever feel completely overwhelmed, like there's so much to do, you don't have enough time, all the information is conflicting and it prevents you from taking action, this is for you. So let's use a common example. Let's say you're running short on time and you don't have time for maybe a 45 or a 60-minute workout. What do? Do you end up doing something shorter, or you just say, forget it, I'm not gonna work out today? Unfortunately, we know how that ends, right? Then it cascades 2 days, 3 days, 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and then you're falling completely off the wagon. The same thing happens with diet, right? I can't eat perfectly today, so you know what? I'm gonna turn today into a cheat day. And then tomorrow, and then tomorrow, and then the next week. Instead of beating yourself up over not being able to be perfect, instead try this. Take the one simple next action step that you can do to be a little bit better today. So if you have something that you can do in 5 minutes, for example, just doing push-ups, just doing bodyweight squats, because that's all the time that you do have, or jumping into a hotel workout, you know, that's completely fine. But don't chase perfection to the extent where you are unable to make consistent progress because you have the all or nothing perspective. Instead, use that mindset switch. What is the one simple action that you can take today that's going to bring you one step closer? Momentum builds. Momentum builds and rolls downhill. So again, you don't need a big push all the time. You don't need that perfection. Instead, that one small step. All right? So chase progress, not perfection. If you do that, you will succeed.